Hey Ayat, you look a little upset today. Is everything okay?
Not really, Aliza. I said something rude to my mom this morning, and now I feel so guilty. I didn't mean it, but I was angry.
Oh no, but Ayat, we should always be careful with our words, especially with our parents. You know, in Islam, respecting parents is a big responsibility.
Yes, I know. I feel really bad now. My mom was just reminding me to finish my homework, and I shouted at her. I think I hurt her feelings.
It happens sometimes when we get angry, but the most important thing is to say sorry. Our parents do so much for us every single day. They love us more than anyone else.
You are right, Aliza. My mom wakes up early, cooks, helps me study, and even prays for me. And I shouted at her. That's not fair.
Exactly. Even the Quran says, and be kind to parents. If one or both of them reach old age, do not say them even oof, and do not reply them, but speak to them no noble word.
That's such a powerful verse. I want to be better daughter, inshallah. I will go home and give her a big hug and say sorry.
That's great idea. And maybe do something kind for her, like helping the kitchen or write her a sweet note.
Yes, I will do that. Thank you, Aliza. I will better after talking to you.
Anytime, we should remind each other to be better Muslims, and respecting our parents is one of the best ways to please Allah.
I will never forget this. From now on, I will try to speak gently, listen more, and always make dua for my parents.
Me too, Aya. Let's both try our best. May Allah help us and bless all our parents.